In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable and turn off the firewall on your MacBook, macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple logo up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel now, select Network. And then on the right side should be something that says Firewall. Go ahead and select that. Go ahead and toggle that to the left to disable, just clicking inside that oval till it's grayed out. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.